Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes like a bakery. To achieve that perfect bakery-style cupcake, start with the best ingredients. Using high-quality butter, fresh eggs, and good vanilla extract makes a huge difference in flavor. Always ensure your butter and eggs are at room temperature. This helps them emulsify better, creating a smoother, more uniform batter. Don't forget to sift your dry ingredients to avoid any lumps, and incorporate air for a lighter texture. Next, mastering your mixing technique is crucial for a tender crumb. Begin by creaming your softened butter and granulated sugar together for at least 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture is light, fluffy, and pale yellow. This step incorporates essential air. Then, add your eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition to fully combine. Finally, alternate adding your dry ingredients with your liquid ingredients, starting and ending with the dry, mixing just until combined to prevent overmixing. For perfect baking, fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 full. This allows them to rise beautifully without overflowing, creating that classic dome top. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 18 to 22 minutes. You can check for doneness by gently pressing the top. If it springs back, they are ready. Immediately transfer the baked cupcakes to a wire rack to cool completely before you even think about frosting them. Finally, the frosting is where you can truly elevate your cupcakes to bakery status. Use a stable buttercream recipe, ensuring it's smooth and pipeable. A large star tip, like a 1M or 2D, creates a beautiful, elegant swirl. Start from the outside edge and work your way in, building height. Finish with simple, yet effective, garnishes such as colorful sprinkles, a dusting of cocoa powder, or a fresh berry for that professional, eye-catching appeal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.